Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by pulling real network output straight into Roman 6 so you can inspect it without switching contexts. Open the file you want to store results in. Then run a read command like r curl/s http://example com or r /tunap to import live data. This writes command output into your buffer where you can immediately search, fold, or filter it. Once done, make sure each command produces expected text. If not, try a simpler command like r ping c188888. Once the data is in the buffer, focus on extracting what matters. Search with / and jump with n. Use g/pattern/p to print matched lines. To preprocess before inserting, run r /tunap grep established awkprint $5 so only remote endpoints appear. You can also fold unrelated sections with zf or use set ft equals log for highlighting. This helps spot ports and IPs visually. Make sure to run %s/r/g if crlf noise appears. It cleans formatting for reliable searches. Finish by saving or exporting the clean data and optionally rerunning live checks. Use w results, txd to save locally, or w sudo t/etc/network/results, txd if elevated write is needed. If you prefer continuous checks, open a terminal split with term or vsplit plus terminal and run monitoring commands while editing. If an external command fails inside Roman 6, verify your $path and which shell Roman 6 is using via set shell. Adjust with set shell equals /bin/bash. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.